This is Aaron with anetcomputers.com with a video for you today. How to install Microsoft Office on Google Android. It's really quite simple. Before I give you the quick, easy instructions, there's basically three different ways that you can. This is the initial request, quote verbatim, quote, I previously purchased Microsoft Office. I now purchased a new mobile phone and would like to install on the new device. However, I cannot find the hard copy of the software. What can be done? That was a strange statement where they said, however, I cannot find the hard copy of the software. I don't know if they thought that they could connect a optical drive to the Google Android and then install the software that way, but yeah, I'm not sure. Okay, anyways, this is what you do. What you do is all you have to do is download the Microsoft Office software by browsing to the following Uniform Resource Locator web page on your Google Android smartphone. Now, the Uniform Resource Locator that's highlighted on screen, you can type that into the address bar of your web browser. Then you can read this blog post from my website, anetcomputers.com, and then access the link right here, which is right here. Right here. Now, in order to install the software, your Google Android device must have Short Message Service Functional Service, which is SMS text, in order to receive the Microsoft Office software for Google Android operating system. You'll receive it in a text message, the download link. Also, you could browse to it on your smartphone. You know what I'm saying? They were trying to install Microsoft Office 2016 applications. Now, these are the applications at the time of this blog post creation that you can install onto your Google Android. Microsoft Office, Word, PowerPoint, Excel, Outlook, OneNote, OneDrive, Skype for Business, Lens, Yammer, Delve, Teams, and Stream. Also, you can try it free for 30 days. I think you can install one application at a time. Let's say you just want Microsoft Word, you could just install that. You want OneNote, you just install OneNote. Or if you want just two, Word and OneNote, you just install those two. Now, Microsoft does sell individual applications for a one-time price. Don't quote me. You could check into it. I know for desktop they do. They may or may not for mobile. What that means is that you do not have to have a Microsoft Office 365 subscription, if I'm correct. Okay. If you do not have a Microsoft Office 365 subscription, the download page, the official Google Play Store page that I'm about to show you does. Okay. Now here's the Google official Play Store page, or the official Microsoft.com page, excuse me, Microsoft-365/mobile. You could download it from there. You could open that up on your smartphone. Again, you could, if you have SMS text, you could receive the link that way. A short message service, which is an acronym for SMS. Also, what you could do is you could scan in at the bottom of this page. I don't know why they have it at the bottom, but you could scan in this QR. QR stands for quick response. So what you do is you just open up the camera application on your Google Android, and then, now the camera application on this Google Android, this cheaper one that I have, has Android 11. And it has a little icon. It has a little QR icon. You click on that, and then you're telling it to look for a QR code. Then you just scan the code in between the square that it takes the image of it. And then that's all you do. Then it will show you the link. You click on the link and it'll open it up on your smartphone. So then all you have to do is download it from there. And they even have a page if you're having problems with the quick response code. So that's basically three, four different ways you can download Microsoft Office onto your Android. And these are the there's more applications available actually than in my blog post. You can actually download and install Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook, OneNote, OneDrive, Edge, Microsoft Edge web browser, Microsoft Bing. I guess there's a piece of software maybe with, yeah, it's got the ChatGPT, artificial intelligence. Okay, phone link, Microsoft Lens, Yammer, and Microsoft Teams, as well as Microsoft Stream. So all these are available from this page, or on your Android, you'll want to open up the Google Play Store. Just make sure that you search for Microsoft Office and you select the correct one. What else you can scan, sign, and convert Adobe Portal document formats. You can use voice commands, and then these applications. How much time do I have remaining? I have 2 minutes. Anything further? Any other tips? I can give you a few tips, but it's about subscription. Now, I could be wrong, but I know on desktop, on a desktop computer, a laptop, a tablet, if you can purchase individual Microsoft applications now. They are, I think, a one-time charge, and it's a for life license. It's a lifetime license. Whereas with the Microsoft Office 365 subscription, you have to keep paying it, whether by the year, by the month, or whatever. It's going to expire eventually. So if you only need a few Microsoft applications, then you could just purchase them each individually, but you would have to enter in the license code. I think it is available for Google Android, but I could be wrong. And then we already went over the fact that you can download one individual application at a time. You do not have to install everything because that would be quite bloated. So you could just choose and pick. I think you could just install one application if that's all you wanted, and then you could just go from there. You could install 2 or 3, or you can install all of them. And you might also want to look on the Google Play Store page, the requirements. I'm using Android 11. Off the top of my head, I do not know what version operating system Android that you would need for Microsoft Office. But they should show it on the Google Play Store page. Otherwise, what will happen is that I'm at the 8-minute mark. Is that you'll get a message saying, operating system not compatible, or you can't install it. So that's a caveat. That is my video pertaining to how to install Microsoft Office on Google Android. You can always browse to anetcomputers.com to fix your most common computer problems. Also, on that same homepage, if you scroll down a little bit, you'll find the web page links to all my platforms, which are youtube.com/anetcomputers with an S, Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, Trovo.live, Twitch.tv, and Rumble. Adios!